Hey guys, so today I will be showing you the remote control Star Wars ATA. So I'm just going to show you what it can do. Goodbye box. Die. Die. The box is dead. So the Star Wars remote control ATA has got some big guns that go like this. Make a very loud noise and light up red and move back and forth. And it's quite heavy, which means it's strong. They've added all the good details like the bolts and stuff that are connected onto it to make it. It's got some little guns on the side there. It's got that black thingy so the controller can detect it, and so this can detect the controller what it's doing. Oh yeah, and there's little brown patches. It's quite grey and very strong. And the controller has got lots of different buttons to program it and move back and forth like this. Yeah. And side to side. So that's that. So that's the controller. It's quite light and very easy to use. It's a bit like an Xbox controller. But, well, I'm going to be telling you about free play mode. So free play mode is where you basically control it with these joysticks like this. Play. And you press this button to fire. So now I'm going to show you how to program. So you press this button, prog, and I press forwards, across, and shoot. Now you press stop and go, and go! I think it's going to go off the edge. 1 second. No. It almost fell off the edge. I saved you. And now I'm going to restart this. So program, forwards, and shoot. There, make it simple. Do not fall off the edge. That was better. Now it's going to shoot you guys. Yeah! He hits you all. Die. This is a very nice toy and very easy to use. My favourite thing about it is the guns. Yeah. And the least favourite part is the programming because it's annoying. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. Different sound button. Listen. Yeah. So, and it also doesn't work on carpets. So, I'll see you later, and I hope that you watch our next video, which will be on another set of toys. Bye!